Hello guys, today we make homemade sun-dried tomatoes. I done already this video 6 years ago. Many of you watch it. Thank you for watching the video. Because the video is sold, the quality of the video is very bad, especially the sound. I will make again the video. Plus, in this video I will answer more of the questions that you ask me. So please follow all the video. First of all, what kind of tomato we should use? Any kind of tomatoes, especially if you cultivate by yourself, you will know what you eat, so it's the best way. For sure, if you want to sun-dry the bull heart, the big one will be complicated, but from the San Marzano, the long one that we use for the tomato sauce, down you can dry all kind of tomatoes. This is why I will try with 4 different kind. I will dry 1 kilogram of cherry tomatoes, ciliegino, 1 kilogram of Piccadilly tomatoes, half kilogram of we call Datterino, little dates, very sweet tomato, and also the yellow version. In this way, when you make your jar with different color, will be more appealing. How we should cut our tomatoes? The long one is very easy. You follow the shape of the tomato. When you have round tomato, why is important to cut in this direction and not like this? If not, if you cut like this, the seed will fall, and when you turn your tomato will be a disaster. Where we should put? Usually in the past they use wood trail or made with material like this. In this way it's easy to dry, but because it's more easy to find this container, this is baking pot in metal, and also because with the heat of the sun the pot will be very hot and will help you to dry the tomatoes. I will use this is my advice. Plus, in this way will be easy in the night to put your tomatoes inside. Why? Many of you ask me, I try to make it, but after they start to make mold. Why? Probably because during the night you keep outside. What's happened? During the day the sun will dry them, during the night the humidity will wet them again, and the mold will make a party on your sun-dried tomatoes. So it's very important to put inside during the night, and also if you notice this problem in your area, you can add a little bit more of salt. Don't worry, because at the end, when we boil them in the water and vinegar, the extra salt will go away and the tomato will be spectacular. So let's cut it. You know, if I keep speaking, the video will be very long. Cut all the tomatoes, we should add the salt. You need to sprinkle the salt on the surface of your tomatoes. What kind of salt? Sea salt without iodium, because the iodium sometimes is not good when you want to preserve food, like cold cuts or stuff like that. I will use coarse salt, the big one, but if it's too big, you can also use a little bit of fine sea salt. Okay, now we should put under the sun. I will update you. Probably you will need 4, 5, 6, 7 days, depending on the dimension of the tomatoes and also of the sun. Now I am in the south of Italy, Apulia, Salento. Outside we have at least 32 Celsius degree, and here there is always wind, so they will dry very fast. Very important, when the sun is rising, put them under the sun. In the evening, put inside your house. See you in a few days. But what is it, the real secret? Ta-da! The blue sky of the south of Italy. Question: how you can preserve them from the insects? Like you can see now, they are already few hours under the sun. There is no insects, bugs or stuff like that around my sun-dried tomatoes. Some people ask how you can protect them from the birds. I don't know any kind of birds that like tomatoes. If you know, please let me know down in the comment. Some people say that if they put the tomato outside, they will be attacked by the squirrel, rats or other animal. Never happened to me. This is why also you should put inside during the night, because maybe during the night something like the rats can eat the tomato, but I'm not sure about. Other question: I live in when there is no sun, like England, Scotland, Ireland, Denmark, Sweden, and so on. How can I use my oven? Which temperature I should use to dry the tomatoes? So if I move here, so from 40 Celsius degree, maybe more, I hope you can see it, 40 also, 45 will be good. Like you can notice, after 24 hours the small ones are already dry. Here you can notice even more. After 48 hours day 3, we can turn our tomato upside down. Now they are smaller, so I reduce the quantity of baking pot, because the big one, the black one, I need it for lasagna, and also I remove the dish. They are very dry already, we can say, so probably tomorrow we can put them in the oil, but let's see tomorrow. And after only 4 days, our tomatoes are dry. Here in the south of Italy, the sun is very powerful. But before that we go ahead with the recipe, I check how many grams we have now. So at the beginning, for the cherry tomatoes, 1 kilogram. Now, after 4 days, we have 115 grams. For the Piccadilly, again 1 kilogram, the big one. Now we have 91 grams. For the Datterino, the red one, before the yellow one was 500 grams at the beginning. Now we have only 64 grams. And finally, the Datterino red, at the beginning was 500 grams, now we have only 48 grams. So the best one is the cherry tomatoes, comparing with the quantity from the beginning to the end. Now, to preserve our tomatoes, we take 1 liter of water, half glass of white vinegar, and 1 bay leaf. We put everything on the stove. When the water starts boiling, we throw inside our tomato, and we should boil them 2 minutes because they are very small. If you are doing the sun-dried tomatoes with a big one, you need to boil them at least 4-5 minutes. They will be more soft, and also the vinegar will preserve them. After that you boil them, you need to put again on the baking pot, or you can put on a towel, because you need to wait that reach again the room temperature and the extra water evaporate or go inside the tomatoes. Waiting, we can prepare the garlic. Many of you ask me, I'm a little bit worried about botulism. What can I do? So I will cut the garlic in slices. I will boil it 2 minutes like the tomatoes in the water with the vinegar. After, when we put the tomatoes in the jar, we will put 1 slice of garlic, oregano, tomato, oregano, tomato, oregano, tomato, and at the end the oil. Please don't fill too much the jar with the tomatoes, because after, when they collect the oil, they swallow a little bit. The most important things to preserve them is that they should stay under the oil. So better to put less tomato and more oil than the opposite. Don't worry, the oil is not spoiled, because after you can use it when you cook your pasta, when you make bruschetta, in the salad, up to you. If you cannot find extra virgin olive oil, if you find olive oil will be good enough. If you cannot find also that, up to you. Remember, you need some kind of oil that is not too strong. If you use maybe coconut oil and the taste of the coconut is very strong, after your sun-dried tomato will be like a coconut cake or coconut biscuit. So try to find something that match with the salty food. Okay, with this tomato we finally have 5 small jars. One with the cherries, one with the Piccadilly, one with the other small red, one with the yellow, and one is a mix. How long we should wait before we can taste it? At least 2 weeks. In this way, the oregano, the garlic, the bay leaves, the oil and the tomato, they will mix properly. If you can wait 2 months, even better. Remember, after few days you need to check the oil, the level of the oil, like in the car, because the bubbles between the tomato will disappear, the oil will drop, so the tomato will stay outside of the oil. This is very dangerous because something can happen. So you refill a little bit with the oil and you will have no problem. See you in 2 weeks for the tasting. I tell you also these things. After that you taste it, you open it, you should store in the fridge. No. The most important thing is that after you fill again your jar with the oil. And also when you take your sun-dried tomatoes, take it with something clean. Not that you use the fork for pasta or for curry or other stuff, and after you dip in the jar. Remember, if you are clean, you will have no problem. After 2 days you top up or refill the oil and they are perfect for 1 year. So see you in 10 days for the tasting. Be careful. And now, just for you, I will test all of them to tell you the best one. I will start from the yellow going on because I think this one, the round one, are the best. Plus, I show you, because now I found it is the right time in Italy, the perfect tomato to make the sun-dried tomatoes. They are a little bit longer, big, but not too big. You can compare with my face. Okay, I test it for you. Spectacular. They are all good, but for me, the best one for the taste are the red Datterino, the litre dates. And for the texture is the cherry tomatoes. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try some experiment like this, let us know the best tomato to make the sun-dried tomatoes. Let me test this one to be sure. Spectacular. Also the Piccadilly. Very, very, very spectacular. Probably my face is full of oil.